Today's featured advertiser is eXp Realty Natchez. Mr. Barry.
Yeah.
You were just proceeding about your day.
Yeah.
And saying things to me, and I said, "What is on your face?
What
is on your face?"
I don't know. There's no telling.
Where have you been? It's green. Is it mold?
I have no idea what it is. May have come off my car.
It won't wipe off.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh no.
Let me try to get it off.
Okay, bye.
Jack says this driving is exhausting. Okay, back in Arkansas again. Ted is already happy.
Yeah, he's
already up
breaking
on
things.
furniture, ready to break.
So we had to show you, for those of you who've been around a while, you know that for every birthday, Kevin and I get each other a cake or a cookie cake. Look, his cabinet's gone that he loved to get out.
Oh no.
With the wrong name on it. That's been our tradition for like probably.
I don't know, 12 years, 15 years, 20 years. I don't know.
Well, I know we've been doing it for a long time when it was your 50th birthday. So it's been.
Hey, easy.
So my best friend Carrie, her two daughters have been living in the house for the last year, and would have continued living here probably indefinitely, taking care of puppies and just making sure the house doesn't fall down while we're gone. But I had to move back, as we all know. So they got us a thank you gift. They got us a gift card for one of our local restaurants. And then, in the great tradition of cookie cake in the Berry household, they got us a little cookie cake with the wrong names on it.
Thank you, Barry and Hilda. I love it. That's perfect.
That's great.
Yes.
She said, I didn't know how to do it. I just went with the first two names that came to mind. And I said, that's how you do it.
That's pretty much it, yeah.
Exactly how you do it.
And then you go, dang it, they got the names wrong. Yeah, no, if you know, you know. That's exactly one of those, if you know, you know.
Yep.
And Stanley, are you happy to be back? Yeah, well, okay. More peeling. This is the never-ending job. Getting the stickies off of the side of the stage. Where are you, dear? So we got back in town to inspect our chandeliers that we bought back from the bank, who insisted on taking them down for some reason.
These are Murano glass chandeliers from Italy. Would you like to see the condition they're in? This is the dish. These are the dishes. These, look at these. All broken. What is insane to me is the bases of them that they're connected to just screw out. All they had to do was freaking pay attention. Look at this.
So we bought back 5 chandeliers, 6 chandeliers.
I'm so mad right now.
And now we're saying come back and get your chandeliers. They are all broken.
Each of these arms screws into the base. And yeah, it would have taken you more than 30 seconds to jerk them off the wall and throw them in this box. Hang on, takes a little while to unscrew them. You're gonna do it right because they're heavy, they're glass, they're blown glass. Oh my freaking gosh.
You need to find a picture of them hanging.
Anyway, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these arms broken off. One of the chandelier dishes is broken off. These are the ones I wanted back. These are the ones that are Murano glass from Italy. This one has a broken arm off of it right here.
It's one of the small ones?
This is the top. See, these are 2
that's the
tiers.
top. Yeah, okay.
This one has a broken arm, and the arm's just gone. It's just not even in here. So these all had crystals that come. Half of the crystals are just missing off of the arms, and then this one over here is even worse. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 broken arms. Like, this is what makes the chandelier. These are the parts that make it impressive. And they're just broken at the base, tossed in here like they're trying. Look at this, broken to pieces, like broken into pieces. This is unbelievable. Look, see, these are supposed to have crystals dangling off of them. Crystals just gone.
There was just no reason to take them down in the first place.
Well, we saw them, this is what's crazy. We saw them taking them down, and I immediately called her and said, do not don't put them, they're delicate, don't put them in a box. I will buy them from you. I offered her money. She didn't like the money I offered her. I said, it's fine. Call me later. Call me when you're out, you've got everything out. We'll talk about the chandeliers. Instead, you can see how they wrapped them. They're literally one piece of bubble wrap, threw them in the box, and busted them to pieces.
Yeah, so now instead of having thousands of dollars worth of chandeliers, you have broken
Trash.
glass.
I have boxes of trash. Boxes of fine Italian trash. Look at, I can look at this one. Crystals are all missing. That one looks like the arms made it through without getting broken to pieces. What is wrong with her? These are literally the only thing, really, of all the stuff that they repossessed in this store, these are the only thing that held any actual value. These should have been treated like gold because they were, again, the only things of real value in this whole freaking store. So did I call and stop my payment on my check? I surely to goodness did. I have emailed the repossession, the loss mitigation woman, and the bank president and said, you should be ashamed of how this property was treated. I swear y'all, why can nothing be easy? I know this feels like imaginary drama. This feels like surely this many things couldn't be going this badly. But nope, nope.
I'm Tammy Pack.
I'm Jason Ball.
I'm Marla Toman.
And we're eXp Realty, Natchez, Mississippi.
Why buy Natchez? We have beautiful, affordable homes, gorgeous cottages like the one we're in today.
With an average sold square foot price of just over half the national average.
Natchez has small town southern charm.
And front porch vibes.
Our Restoration Nation, are you looking for a project?
Where the state of Mississippi offers historic tax credits.
And it doesn't even have to be on a commercial building. It can be your personal residence. Wes and I just got our check.
Why buy Natchez?
It's the oldest city
On the highest bluff,
On the mightiest river in America.
If you want to see all the beautiful listings in Natchez, follow us on Facebook.
You two are always into something. All right, so we're gonna.
So now, after my little fits, we're gonna open a box that's been packed by professional packing people. Very delicate things. We're gonna show how delicate things should be packed.
These are probably less delicate than the things that were thrown in the box.
I don't know about that.
Not as old. Older, I mean.
Older. We're tired. Who knows what we're gonna say? We're tired. Okay, this is just a wad of bubble wrap. But let's see. This is the box that I thought I was getting the other day when I said, I bought this and it was before. This is the one I thought I was opening when I opened the blue feather edge.
Oh. Is this green feather edge?
This is green feather edge and a surprise.
Oh.
Which I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. Probably sell it because it's not in my wheelhouse. And it is exceedingly rare.
Not in your wheelhouse.
Yeah, that's the best way to describe it, I guess. It's not in our retinue of dishes, maybe?
Maybe it's not in your retinue. Maybe it's
Not
in my
your
retinue.
My retinue.
You don't even know anything about my retinue.
Oh, I know all about your retinue, baby. You didn't even laugh at
I'm too tired. I need to fall down. That's one place to put it.
Yeah.
Works, because you're going to need it soon.
See, look, when you have breakable things, you put things like big bubbles around them, and you wrap them in bubble wrap.
Wrap them individually.
You wrap them individually. We're going to see an example of that here in just a minute. We begin our evening. Why can I never get into this when we're recording?
I don't know.
Like,
Last time we had to stop and
I lose my ability to unwrap. Because they're wrapped so well, because these people know what they're doing. Look what it is.
It looks brand new.
Look what it is. Look at it. Look at it. My fingernails are not dirty. That's chocolate icing from the big cookie. I mean, I guess they're dirty, but it's not dirt. Okay, one plate. Look at all the padding in between each piece. Now this is the piece, not in my wheelhouse, as I said, but very rare. Very well.
I cannot see. I'm going to cut and then we're going to come back to it.
Come back to it.
Okay, that was like 30 minutes.
It
It
really
felt
was.
like.
Well, that's what happens when people who pack conscientiously pack your pieces. So these pieces all came from Pennsylvania, and every one of them made it here without a single piece of damage. I actually did really well on this lot at auction. Again, bought it out of live auction. Did considerably better than I even thought that I did. So I bought it because I wanted this piece particular. I wanted this soup tureen. But I also got 2 more plates with the 2 versions of the feather edge. Now, these are the 2 earlier versions of the feather edge. So that means I have 11 of this style. I got 1 of these, which I did not have yet and I wanted really badly. This is a mustard pot. I got a pepper pot.
For all those times we serve hot dogs.
Yeah. Got pepper pot. This is my 3rd pepper pot. I got a relish or pickle dish. That's my 2nd relish or pickle dish. I got a sauce boat. That's my 2nd or 3rd sauce boat. And then this bowl, which I think I have another in this shape, and then this platter. But I love that you can see all the different colors of green. Like this is just because the factories had, these were all made at the same time.
I don't know if you
and
can tell
many
if they're
of them in the same factory, but the greens just came out different. But this is the piece I was telling you is the super, super rare piece.
Oh, so that did come with it.
Red feather edge. There's red, there's black, and there's magenta. And you do not find these colors anywhere. I didn't even begin to pretend to try to collect the red. So with a little bit of cleanup, I probably could turn around and sell this piece for what I bought the entire lot for.
Yeah.
That's good. 'Cause
You
don't
know, I
need
like
it.
that.
I don't need it. It does have a little chip right there though. Oh well, it's still very valuable. So there's my pieces. And I need a moment of sanity, so did I take a moment to stop and look at my live auction page and check Owen's auctions to see how the prices are going? We have 1 day left. Tomorrow is auction day. Now, will I probably be up here working during the auction? Probably so. So we'll just be working, doing windows, and auctioning at the same time. Let's go. Just a little behind the scenes of what it looks like delivery-wise. This is not even half of it. When you're trying to put a show-stopping window together in less than a month. I used to take like 6 or 8 months to prep each of these windows. I got 1 month. Here we go.